Hello everyone, my name is Gary Arnett. I am your Paragon trainer. The topic of this video is auto notifications starting with a search. Paragon is a dynamic software that allows you to choose the workflow that best fits your needs. You're familiar with starting your automatic email notifications with a search. This video shows you how to set up auto notifications starting with a search. I've already set up some search criteria for my client. I've been working with them, talking with them, putting in the different details that they're looking for when it comes to the property they want to purchase. With that criteria in the Paragon search criteria screen, I'm going to click on search. This is going to take me out to my property grid. Working with my clients and the reports that are available underneath the reports button, I've been able to verify with my buyer that these are the kind of properties that they're wanting. Moving over to save, I have the option of saving the search as and giving it a new name specific to my client. Inside Paragon's Save Search tool, I'm going to type in the name of my client, Tammy Smith. That's going to be the name of the search. I'm going to come down to step 3 and I'm going to save it with criteria. And in step 4, I can assign it to an existing client. Since Tammy is a brand new client for me, I'm going to click on Create New Client at the bottom of the page. I'm going to put in Tammy's first name, her last name, and I'm going to click on Save in the upper right-hand corner of the box. That then drops Tammy's name in. Notice how I've successfully saved the contact to my contact record inside Paragon. By clicking on Save, I have now saved that search for Tammy. To continue on with the process, I click on Contacts. Coming over to Contacts, I'm going to click on View and Manage Contacts. And looking down through the list, there's my contact, Tammy Smith. By clicking on her name, this shows that I have a search for Tammy, so let me click on Next. By clicking on Next, we're going to come over, verify our contact information. At this point, I need to put in an email for Tammy. So I'm going to put in her email address. I put in her email address, I'm going to make it primary. If Tammy is married, I can put in her spouse's name, and I want to put in her spouse's email address. With the spouse email address in, I'm going to check the box for Add Spouse to Email Notification, and I'm going to click on Save. That contact information is saved. I could add phone numbers, and moving down, I could add up to 4 different sets of address fields to this contact record. Moving back up to the right-hand corner, I'm going to use the wizard button to click on Next. As I click on Next, I'm going to come over and click on Tammy Smith for the saved search that's already associated with Tammy. At this point, I have 2 options for email notifications. I can do email notification, or I can send the saved search results to Client Connect, which is a website where my client can then classify the properties as favorites, possibles, or rejects and add comments. Let's choose email notification. Choosing email notification, this is the kind of email that will go out to your client minus the green bar. And this is what the results would look like when your client clicks on the link in the body of the email to see their listings. And as they click on each of the different MLS numbers, they'll see the property displayed in the selected listing report. If you choose Client Connect, you would come in, set up notification settings as to when you and your client are going to receive the emails, and then you'd send them an invitation. The invitation you send to your client would look something like this without the green bar, and when they click the second link, they go directly into the results looking at the properties. When they click on the link to go to Client Connect, this will be the initial view they see. They can then classify their properties as favorites, possibles, or rejects. There are videos and quick start guides that will show you how to set up specifically email notification or Client Connect with email notification for your clients. We want to thank you for viewing this Paragon video on how to set up email notifications starting with the search. Thank you, and have a good day.